Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Vidmate account. Keep watching the video till the end. To create an account on Vidmate, firstly open your Vidmate application. The official page of Vidmate application will appear on the screen. Click on the human icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on sign in and enter your email address, then tap on next. Confirm your mail and verify your email address, then the home page of Vidmate will appear on the screen. This is how you can sign up for your Vidmate account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.